This example has a curve here, and it's asking us f prime of 1 and f prime of negative 2. Now, what does that even mean? So f prime of 1 is the slope at x equals 1, or the derivative. So that little mark right here, that little prime, we call that prime. That's a prime. And so that means f prime, that little mark's a prime, and it is derivative. It's shortcut for derivative, and it also means slope at x equals 1. So at x equals 1, which would be right there, we're wondering what is the slope of the graph right there? How steep is it? Now, if you're riding on a roller coaster, I'm riding, and I get right here. How steep is that? Well, it looks like it's going down this direction, wouldn't you say? Just kind of estimating at the steepness right there. And what is that slope? Slope, remember, slope is rise over run. So it looks like at this little point, it's going down one and right one, down one, right one. Divide those and you get -1. Okay, what about at f prime of -2? Well, that one looks more tricky. So right here at there's -2. And we want to know the steepness. Well, it's kind of tricky, but it looks to me, of course I'm cheating. I'm looking down here seeing I'm cheating. Let me tell you the truth. I'm cheating. I'm looking at the answer, so I'm going to make it work. It looks to me from the answer that it's kind of aiming like that, huh? And that looks right. I mean, let me draw that a little bit better. Yeah, like that. That looks like the slope right there, doesn't it? And what exactly is that? Well, that's over and up. Remember, that wasn't so good. Here, let's do it this way. Rise and run. You go either way, it doesn't matter. Rise and run. So it looks like it's going up, what, 2.5? Again, I'm cheating. Oh, wait, no, I'm wrong. Huh? My cheat, it's 3.5. Huh. It doesn't even look that way to me. Wait a minute. Is that really up 3.5? Yeah. Let me just take it all back. Yeah, yeah. So I guess, yeah, this is a little bit tricky. So it looks like they're saying it's going all the way up to there. But that's better. Yeah, I guess that is more accurately the slope. Okay, this is a little tricky. So the rise and the run here looks like goes up and over. Looks like it goes up 3.5 and over 1, doesn't it? Rise and run. See what I'm doing? I'm starting from here. I go up 3.5 over 1. So up 3.5 over. Just like in the other one, started from here, went down 1, right 1. So up is positive, down is negative. Left is negative, right is positive. So this slope, this one, rise over run, is up 3.5 over 1. And so that'd be 3.5, like that. Now it says nearest integer. So integer means like whole number. So you could type in through. I think they would take 3 or 4. I think they would take the answer 3 or 4. I'll double check, make sure it does. So 3, 3.5, 4. It'll take any of those answers as the slope, right? If you're riding on a roller coaster and you're right here on the roller coaster. You're headed off in this direction at a very steep angle. You're going up 3.5 for every 1 unit over. Very steep. You're right here. You're going down 1 over 1. That's the slope at a couple of points. And so there we go.